Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, all employment-related legislations, which include the Employment Relations Act 2007 and Health and Safety at Work Act 1996, apply equally to both foreign and local workers, thereby protecting the rights and welfare of all individuals in the workforce. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry is tasked to ensure that all employers comply with the minimum standards. Awareness sessions are conducted together with workplace inspections nationwide. Mr. Speaker, sir, in 2021, since 2021, the ministry has received a total of 165 labour complaints from migrant workers. Of these cases, 159 have been resolved, while 4 are still pending with the Employment Relations Tribunal and 2 are under investigation, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, amongst these 165 migrant workers, 46 were employed in the wholesale and retail industry, 121 in building, construction and civil engineering, 9 in the informal sector, 7 in the manufacturing industry, and 2 in the hotel and catering industry. Mr. Speaker, sir, the ministry has recovered a total of $54,337.34 as arrears of wages for these migrant workers. Mr. Speaker, sir, to enhance the welfare of migrant workers working and contributing to the Fijian economy, the coalition government is currently undertaking a review of legislation. This review includes the extension of coverage of foreign or migrant workers, particularly seafarers who are not covered under the current legislation. The government is also reviewing the Immigration Act to strengthen the work permit process and also the development of the Fiji National Labour Mobility Policy Framework and Strategy in collaboration with the International Organization for Migration, or IOM, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government, through my ministry, is dedicated to ensuring decent, sustainable and fair labour practices, promoting a safe, healthy and supportive work environment for everyone, which enhances overall productivity and well-being. I thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Honorable Koya.